Hi guys, hey my loves, thank you so much for clicking on this video. A girl is sick, very much sick, so if I sound weird, just understand I'm very sick. Very sick. But I'm back again with another prophetic word. In today's prophetic word, God says I will restore you in due time. God says I will restore you in due time. Bible study reference is Daniel chapter 4 verses 36 to 37, and it says, at the same time that my sanity was restored, my honor, splendor were returned to me for the glory of my kingdom. My advisors and nobles sought me out, and I was restored to my throne and became even greater than before. Now I, Nebuchadnezzar, praise and exalt and glorify the King of heaven, because everything he does is right and all his ways are just, and those who walk in pride he is able to humble. Now watch my previous prophetic word. It was about nobody can hold God's hand, and Nebuchadnezzar was humbled. Now after him being humbled, God now exalted him to become even greater than he was before, and it took him 7 years to humble himself. So go and watch that previous prophetic word. I will link it in the comment section. Girl, I sound weird. Today I'm talking to people who are trusting and waiting on God to restore them or to restore something in their lives. I'm here to encourage you to remember that God has all the power to destroy and to restore as he pleases. Probably the loss of that thing had a purpose to teach you a lesson, and by now I hope you have learned the lessons, or you have humbled yourself like King Nebuchadnezzar. And by now I hope you have learned the lessons well and you are ready for restoration. I'm here to encourage you that God has the power to restore that thing to be greater and better than before. So with the knowledge of that fact, I urge you to rest in God. Be assured that God will restore it, and trust that he makes things beautiful at the right time. So yeah guys, that's the prophetic word of today. Feel encouraged if you're waiting for God to restore something in your life, but I hope you've learned the lessons though, because if you haven't, it's gonna go on and on until you learn the lesson, and then you'll be ready for restoration. Everything that God does, it's for good for all those who love God. So thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for your quick recovery in advance, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Ciao. Guy, that's my voice. I can't even hear myself. Ciao. Anyway, bye guys.